Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload your video the right way. The right way to upload your video on YouTube to get millions of views. So if you want to know how to upload your video and get millions of views on YouTube, sit tight and watch this video to the very end. On my screen here, you can see the videos I've uploaded on YouTube. All you need to do is to download this app called Firefox. Once you download that app on your Play Store or App Store, if you are using iPhone, so once you download the app, all you need to do is to click on the app and type in studio.youtube.channel. Once you search on that, you're going to link your YouTube channel to your Firefox. Then you can now upload your videos on Firefox. Let me quickly show you how to upload videos on Firefox. On your Firefox here, all you need to do is to click on the arrow, this upload arrow here. Click on that. Once you click on that, you see select files. Click on select files. Once you click on select files, you are going to see the videos and files saved on your device. All you need to do is to click on the video you want to upload to your YouTube. Once you click on that, you're going to see the many more features like description, thumbnail. You can even add a end screen. If you are using this app, you can add the end screen to your video. Add the cards. Cards are those things that pops out when your video is playing on the screen. You can even add tags and cards on your video. And also you can even add thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. So guys, that is the use of this app. If you found this video useful, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like, because you have come to the very end of this video. And tell me in the comment section if you found this video useful, or if you are still having any problem on this video, please do well to indicate in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Bye.